This is a Fender 75 from 1979. It has one 15-inch electro voice speaker in it. It has been recapped with V-caps, which are $120 each, about $1,000 worth of caps to open up the headroom on that. It's great. This is a Marshall 100-watt 1973 modified by Cesar Diaz of the Stevie Ray Vaughan fame. He was Stevie Ray's amp tech and guitar tech. He modified this. He used to work up in Wheaton, Maryland at American Guitar Center on Veers Mill Road, and way back in the 80s. He modified this. This is the Santa Cruz sound. This has Dumble switches on the head. It has a Fender Twin Reverb front end, and it has a Marshall EL34 Marin transformer rear end. It's going through two 15-inch SRO 15s in that Fender cabinet from the 70s. This Strat is a 71, 72, 73 Fender pickup, Fender bridge. It's a Rushmore neck and a Rushmore body. Brazilian rosewood on Pal Ferro. Let's give it a listen so we can hear some of these tones. I've been chasing these tones my whole life, and so you'll be able to tell. This is the Fender right here. Let's start out with the Fender. That's the Fender, beautiful. Here's the Marshall. Takes a second to warm up. He tried to make this like a Fender. That's the Marshall. Now we're going to Santa Cruz land right here. Let's see if I can get it on. There you So my greatest amp. Some people say this is the greatest amp. Some people say that this is the greatest amp. But I think this is the greatest amp. If you're asking me my personal opinion. Unbelievable.